Allez, changez la vitesse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Dérapez.
Nasty what quads. You see? Can't see. You people can't see. Niman Somaliyeed waa ka soo carare nin madowba iga keenay aniga you know Soomaalida guskiina ka shaqeeya gus balaq guso saan you see them I will teach you a lesson Soomaalida ku helo saan you gonna teach me a lesson with this. We've moved on. We know there are better things out there. Nimanka madowga wallahi. Okay, aniga nin Somali waligine guma arkis doontaan. I'm just telling you right now. You will never see me with a Somali nigga. I am done with them. They can't fuck. Gus was sidan or balak. Malin kasta I'm telling you people, stop sigeso. Sigeso is make your gus balak. You don't want to hear. Hada wa ba no sen ba. Nagihi waiting ka arare. Aniga hada qof. Ninka sidaan jeclahay. Okay. I don't want to hear Somali. Nin Somali Kashin Farah. Damn. Don't come to me and send me messages. I'm done. One il bahar sabi. Oh my god. Oh shit. Fuck. Wallahi hablo Somalida. Please. Nimanka Somaliyeed hawasina. Go out there, explore. Wallahi bilay talay. Wahan yero san. If you try other people out there, you're gonna be crazy. I think it's yesterday. Wallahi one chitted all day. Oh, Somali. Oh my God. You guys supposed to do better. You know, I'm telling you, Sige Sada, you have to stop Sige. So it's not good for you. Gus becomes balak because it's like a skin. It's like nasa marka tuchinesit. How can I guard it? You see, it's like ilmaha marka nasa nuga nasi wedayan. Gus kana wasidas. The whole time you're masturbating become balak. Stop Sige. So the loss of $10 pay gare was si fiican was gare maxaa sil waa la gadaa maxaa suu dhibaysaa guskii dabcaan buu noqonayaa